I don't know what I'm doing. That's the worst part.
You just gotta be like, hey, welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We're going to transform this Supra into the one from the first movie, Fast and Furious. Now here is the fun part. I know nothing about mechanics or bodywork or painting or interior work. So we are gonna learn that together. So let's get started. Chapter 1, Step 1, taking the bumper off. Can't really be that hard. There is 3 bolts that I see here. 2 are attached onto whatever that is called. Some kind of frame, maybe a sub. I know there is a subframe in a car, but you know, whatever. Then it's attached to something, some kind of hose, weird. Oh, that's hot, I shouldn't touch that. So there is one there. And then, well, is that another one attached to some, holy crap, wait. That's problematic. Is that actually attached to the... That's future me problem. I'm not gonna bother with it right now, but I'm saying bad stuff inside. Okay. Remove that. Yeah, so I have 2 more for the lights. I don't know. What are the odds that it's just gonna come off once I remove like 9?
I think you have to take out the headlights first.
Why? Are you watching a video on how to do it?
I'm reading a forum.
I'm going in blind. The only way to do it. I don't know how to read.
That's fair.
So I have to remove the headlights.
Looks like it.
Okay. Is step 1 removing the headlights?
Yes.
Cool. So should I stop what I'm doing or?
No.
Okay. We keep moving. I can't remove the last one without. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave the car and remove the tire. It is not going well. Okay, removing the headlights. Well, I mean, oh God. Oh, I don't want. Oh, whoa! Wait, can I just yank on it? Bracket.
I think there's 2 on the right side.
2 on the right side? Mm-hmm. I can't even see 1. I mean, I have this, which is good. It's not in the way. It's funny because I have a hose that's connected to nothing.
This should help.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
I believe in you. Glad
Sure.
I can
Cool.
help.
Cool is the way to do it. I mean.
Okay, now restart and pretend you know exactly what you're doing.
No. Everybody knows I don't. I'm not hiding it. Ooh. Having the right tool. I got it. I'm gonna try. Getting 1 bolt, 20 minutes.
At least it didn't break.
No, don't say that. lights. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That's a healthy Toyota noise right there. Really? They just remove they remove the 3 screws and just take the light out?
You gotta fiddle with it.
I'm fiddling with it. Ah! This is not how. Ah! Fuck!
Got it? Did you unplug the light bulbs?
No, not yet.
Okay. You got it though.
We need a break.